Welcome back to our channel. Today we will have a science-themed pyramid trivia quiz, so buckle up and we hope you have fun. This molecule's structure was first suggested by Linus Pauling, but later confirmed by different scientists. Rosalind Franklin's X-ray diffraction images contributed crucially to its model. James Watson and Francis Crick described its double helix structure in 1953. It is the main carrier of genetic information in almost all living organisms. DNA. This concept was experimentally confirmed by the observations of the bending of light around massive objects. It was a pivotal idea in the development of nuclear technology. It is encapsulated in the equation E = mc squared, formulated by Albert Einstein. It implies that energy and mass are different forms of the same thing. Mass-energy equivalence. This planet's axial tilt causes it to have the most extreme seasonal changes in the solar system. Its magnetic field is tilted significantly relative to its rotational axis. It is encircled by a system of rings composed mostly of ice particles. It is the second largest planet and is named after a Roman god. Saturn. It can form both underground and on the surface following a volcanic eruption. Its intrusive form cools slowly, resulting in large crystals. This type of rock forms the majority of the Earth's continental crust. Examples include granite and basalt. Igneous rocks. This theory is supported by the fossil record and genetic evidence. It was influenced by observations made during a voyage on the HMS Beagle. It faced significant opposition from religious groups upon its publication. It was proposed by Charles Darwin in On the Origin of Species. Evolution by natural selection. This element was initially discovered through the distillation of human urine. It plays a key role in energy transfer within cells. It is a critical component of bones and teeth. It has the chemical symbol P and is essential for life. Phosphorus. This geological process was first proposed in the early 20th century. It explains the distribution of earthquakes and volcanic activity around the globe. The theory was solidified by the discovery of symmetrical magnetic stripes on the ocean floor. It involves the movement of Earth's lithospheric plates. Plate tectonic theory. This phenomenon can be observed during the perihelion precession of Mercury. It was crucial in the prediction of black holes and the Big Bang. It led to the understanding of the fabric of space-time being curved by mass and energy. It is the principle that describes the force of attraction between masses, articulated by Newton. Gravity. This phenomenon occurs when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, leading to a catastrophic collapse. It can leave behind a neutron star or black hole. It results in a shock wave that can outshine entire galaxies for a short time. It is a stellar explosion. Supernova. This substance's existence was postulated to explain certain observations in quantum mechanics. It can exist in a Bose-Einstein condensate at very low temperatures. It has been detected in various forms, such as alpha and beta particles. It is a fundamental state of matter, alongside solid, liquid, and gas. Plasma. This scientist's work in the 19th century involved detailed studies of the inheritance of traits. His experiments with a certain plant were crucial in establishing foundational principles of heredity. His work went largely unnoticed until it was rediscovered in the early 20th century. He is known as the father of genetics. Gregor Mendel. This physical principle was indirectly suggested by the behavior of blackbody radiation. It led to the realization that energy levels in certain systems are not continuous but discrete. This idea was critical in explaining phenomena such as atomic emission spectra. Max Planck introduced this concept in the early 20th century. Quantum theory. This astronomical object was first identified due to its strong radio emissions. It can be detected by its rapid rotation and emission of beams of radiation. It is a compact object resulting from the collapse of a massive star after a supernova. It is often referred to as a pulsar due to the pulsating signals it emits. Neutron star. This element was initially discovered due to its distinct spectral lines observed in the solar spectrum. It is inert and does not easily form compounds with other elements. It was first isolated on Earth in the late 19th century. It is lighter than air and commonly used in applications requiring low density and non-reactivity. Helium. This scientific concept was hinted at by irregularities in planetary orbits that couldn't be explained by Newtonian mechanics. It redefined gravity as a geometric property of space and time rather than a force. It predicts phenomena such as gravitational time dilation and the bending of light near massive objects. It was formulated by Albert Einstein and published in 1915. General relativity. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe.